Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. In this channel, you will find videos on automobiles and auto replacement parts. I will try to give you good video gifts on this channel. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to get regular new videos and product links. Watch now. Latest motorcycle engine camshaft and valve tappet swing arm parts. Item number 1. High-angle camshaft rocker arm kit. Up Power Racing Performance camshaft kit for GS125, GN125, EN125, GZ125, TU125, 157 VMIC, A157 VMIC. The camshaft has a modified lift and optimized valve opening times. A higher cylinder filling is possible and utilized dynamic gas exchange processes. It give engine more power in the mid. Item number 2. Brand new GN250 SP250 GZ250 GN SP GZ250 camshaft high quality. Item type, crankshafts. Model name, GN250. External testing certification, ISO 9001. Item width, 2-inch. Item height, 2-inch. Item weight, 0.7 kilograms. Item diameter, 2-inch. Material type, steel. Special features, OEM quality. No. Item number 3. Motorcycle GN250 DR250 TU250 engine camshaft and rocker arm for Suzuki 250cc GN Dr. 250 valve tappet swing arm parts. Displacement, ml, 150cc. Material type, steel. Item type, camshaft. Item weight, 2 kilograms. Special features, high-angle camshaft. Item width, 20 centimeters. No. Of cylinders, 1 cylinder. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to buy these products, then see the description. Click the product links and order now. Like, share, and comment on the video. For more videos, subscribe to the channel.